Okay, good morning. This is Wednesday, December the 16th. We're going to continue on with Amos and Boris. And also we have gingerbread houses and the Santa Claus questions. So let's pull up and look at our assignments today. All right, so we're going to be looking at page 25. How do you think Boris felt when he saw Amos run off like that? Pages 26 to 28. That is where you come into the story. What did Amos say when he ran up to you? All right, we're talking about the elephants right there. How do you feel when you first saw Boris lying there on the beach? All right, they're asking about the elephant. What did the elephant think? What did you and your friend decide to do to help Boris? We're talking about the elephants. What did they decide to do? All right, we're going to come back to that. But we're quickly going to look at gingerbread houses. I don't think I really need to explain how to do this. You need your red, green, blue. Down here you're going to use your yellow, and I want you to highlight how is gingerbread different from chocolate chip cookies. All right, now the only thing is if you cannot print this out, you'll have to get it on notebook paper. Write this answer, highlight it in red. Write this answer, highlight it in green. Write this answer, highlight it in blue. Then write this answer, highlight it in yellow. So that's on the gingerbread houses. Then you have one on Santa Claus. Same thing, you've got red, green, and blue. All right, so you're going to highlight those. Down here is when you visualize. That means you can draw a picture by finding clues over here. So you're going to draw a picture of what Santa Claus looks like based on the description provided in the text. So you're going to draw a picture of him. You have to look for clues over here so you know how to draw him. Yes, you might want to get crayons because you may have to color things depending on what it tells you to do over here. All right, so you will need to send pictures of the Christmas activities. All right, now we're going to go back to the book and we're going to look for these questions. All right, let's enlarge this. All right, and again, it says we need to get on page 25. Let's see if that's 25, because I numbered them down at the bottom. All right, yes, we're on 25. All right, so the question was, how do you think Boris felt when he saw Amos run off like that? Amos, help me, said the mountain of a whale to the mote of a mouse. I think I'll die if I don't get back in the water soon. Amos gazed at Boris in an agony of pity. He realized he had to do something very fast, and he had to think very fast about what it was he had to do. Suddenly, he was gone. I'm afraid he won't be able to help me, said Boris to himself. Much as he wants to do something, what can such a little fellow do? All right, so the question is, how do you think Boris felt when he saw his friend run off? All right, if you said you think he was sad, all right, so you may want to say Boris was sad. All right, because he thinks Amos cannot help him. He's too little. So Boris is sad. I'm afraid he won't be able to help me. Okay? You might need to write this on notebook paper if you did not print off the sheet. All right. There's a picture. All right. Just as Amos had once felt all alone in the middle of the ocean, Boris felt now, lying alone on the shore. He was sure he would die. And just as he was preparing to die, Amos came racing back with two of the biggest elephants he could find. All right, our next question says, all right, this is where the elephants come into the story. So what do you think Amos said when he ran up to the elephants? All right, I think Amos said, I need your help. Amos knew, as small as he was, he could not help Boris, but he had an idea. Amos said, I need your help. All right, our next question. How do you feel when you first saw Boris laying on the beach? All right, so here they come. All right, how do you think the elephants felt when they saw him? I felt sorry for Boris. I knew he would die. Okay. Now, the last question on this page says, what did you and your friend decide to do to help Boris? So what did the two elephants decide to do to help him? We pushed as hard as we could to get Boris back into the water. Okay. All right. We pushed as hard as we could to get Boris back to the water. All right. Now, you will have 3 pictures to take and send your teachers, your 2 Christmas activities, and Amos and Boris. All right, I'll check in with you tomorrow, and we will have Amos and Boris again, and 2 more Christmas activities. So I'll see you tomorrow on Thursday.